Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Welcome to the Hall of Neurologist RSCM Jakarta. And my name is Enda Muslihatin, and I'm the Chief Doctor of Neurologist in RSCM, and I'm in charge in doing surgery. The topic of my presentation today is about meningitis disease, and it will be focusing in the treatment and prevention of meningitis. And this topic is very useful for everybody who wants to treat and prevent meningitis. Well, I have divided my talk into 5 main parts. The first is about the background of meningitis, and the second is knowing about meningitis infection, and the third is how to handle meningitis, and the fourth is how to prevent meningitis, and last is suggestion. Well, in this presentation, I will be using the projector, and it will take for about 10 minutes. And if you have any question, I will be glad if you will wait until the end of my presentation. Okay? It's nice to see you, many faces. Well, let's go for the first pointer, which is the background of meningitis. Okay. Notice there are many kinds of serious diseases that affect humans. One of them is meningitis. But in fact, there are still many of us who haven't known yet about what meningitis is. So today I will tell you about what meningitis is and what are the symptoms of meningitis, and also how to treat and how to prevent meningitis. But before that, I will show you about some facts about meningitis. For the first fact is meningitis kills or disables more than 1.2 million people every year. And for the second fact is bacterial meningitis causes around 120,000 deaths every year, and infants and children under the age of 5 years old are the most risk of suffer meningitis. And for the last fact is the survivor may get a long-term effects such as stiffness, brain damage, learning difficulties, and so on. Okay? Next is, do you still remember who are they? Yes. And they are the Indonesian comedian, and both of them are the example of people who ever suffered meningitis. For the first picture is Yoga Saputra, or the Namadas Olga. He is one of the example of people who suffered meningitis, and he is become the victims. And because of him also, meningitis become famous in Indonesia. And for the second is Gugun Gondrong. He is also the example of people who ever suffered meningitis. But different with Olga, Gugun Gondrong is able to survive. But as I have told you before, that meningitis might lead long-term effects. Until now, Gugun Gondrong has been full recovery yet. Okay? So, what is meningitis itself? Let's look at the next pointer. Meningitis is inflammation of fluid and members that cover the brain and spinal cord. You can see the picture on the slide. There are two different that can are from fungal elements. For example, is bird dropping and dust. Okay, and other things that can be done to prevent meningitis is maintaining a healthy lifestyle, such as getting extra house fresh, no smoking, and also avoiding direct contact with sick people. Okay, for the last is suggestion, we have to keep our body health by keep healthy lifestyle. And for people who have suffered meningitis, I hope you don't be helpless, because it can be avoided, or it can be stopped if